Hi, this is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. And this week, I have another vintage style planter. That has a beautiful green. It's very heavy, but this is an antique style, so it's not an antique. It still has its burlap ribbon on. Swan. That is made to look old and covered in moss. And you can see it's got a lot of detail to the feathers. It can hold a 6-inch pot in here if you choose to put something in it. It's very heavy. It's not going to blow away. You can see all the detail on the neck and the coloring. It's like a bright green. And then I like the head. The head goes down to like a coppery brown color. And you can put, like I said, a 6-inch pot in it if you choose to put something in it, or you can even leave it empty. Use it as a doorstop, use it by a pool. You can put a set of them together. I always think swans look really cool in sets. But anyway, this is our find of the week this week. Here's my helpers. I've been trying to take pictures and not get photobombed and not get my toes worked over since they're hungry and they want supper. But that is our find of the week, where we will have these posted at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. So come and check us out and get inspired to start doing some container gardening.